We just got to Dennys, guys, and we're gonna go inside and eat. She said you want an OJ, I got you. What? Why she said that? Alright, so I'm gonna get this, but with not the sausage, 4 bacons, a hash brown, and a French toast. And yeah, that's what my mom, I don't know what my mom's gonna get. But I don't want dinner. We're not getting dinner. We're getting breakfast. Well, I'm getting breakfast. I don't want no lunch. I want breakfast. Y'all better watch that again.
I'm about to get breakfast too, because I don't know about...
Wait, this is actually really pretty.
Yeah, I'm going to just get breakfast.
That's pretty. Alright, come on. Yeah, you gotta do like a little transition. So I got bacon and hash browns and French toast. And she got this eggs, sausage, bacon, toast, and hash browns. Alright, so we about to eat, but we're not gonna do like a little montage of us eating, cause so we just gonna eat and then we be right back.
No, they're getting ready for Christmas. We're just looking at the lunch boxes. They're 70% off. Just in case you guys need lunch boxes. I'm about to get one because I got one of my granddaughters. But I had to get the other one. So yeah. Okay guys, we just got to the inspection place. And we're about to see what's up. We in the inspection place. And they got this elephant sitting here. But they also have the Bible. I guess they are Christian people. Yeah, actually, I hear the word in Spanish back there. God loves you. Oh, look at, they got a cute little bag. Booster. Oh, that's Jerusalem. Okay, guys. buzzer. And we are getting Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, go to the drive-thru. No, go to the drive-thru. I'm doing Zoom right in the car. Cause I ain't got time for this. Give me a large hot coffee
With what?
with 2 creams, 2 sugars.
Can I have a large hot coffee with
1 cream.
1 cream and 2 sugars?
And a sausage, egg, and cheese on a sesame bagel.
And can I have a sausage, egg, and cheese on a sesame bagel? Okay. And then can I also have a plain toasted bagel with butter? Okay. And 2 hash browns. Okay. That's it. 12:37. 12:37.
Oh, I want a hash brown. I'm gonna add one. I can add one at the window.
So you ever get a little bit tired of life? Where's the money?